Hi, in this tutorial, we'll be looking at using GLSL shaders in Motion. To begin, create a new project and specify the format that you want. Installed ISF shaders will appear in the Motion library as generators and filters. Add shaders to your project timeline like any other media asset. Adjust shader variables from the Motion inspector. Apply shaders to layers and groups like any other filter. Over 200 open source shaders are included. Animate shader variables over time by setting keyframes in the timeline. Write, tweak, and remix your shaders with any text editor. Use the option from the Share menu to export a movie that can be used in other software. And we're done. Thanks for watching.